Hello, good morning everyone. So this is day 3 of my ride WHR 2025. So you just saw the last night party pictures. So this is how we celebrate brotherhood. Everybody was dancing like crazy. Today is day 3 of our ride and the events are planned for today also. So I'm planning to skip the afternoon events and go for the party at the night. Let me show you the property I'm staying right now because this is another very beautiful property we are staying at. Wait, let me just show you. This is Umaid Mahal at Pushkar. This is the view from the property. There is the entire Pushkar town where the Mela and all happens. So let me take you around. So that is the Mela ground where the famous Pushkar Mela takes place, and if you can see, I'll zoom in. That's the temple. Wait, yeah, that's the temple we are planning to go at around 11 in the morning. I can't get enough of the view. Look at the property, guys. This property is being arranged by Harley Davidson, 3 chapters from the west. That's why the rally is called WHR. I'm taking you to where all the bikes are parked. Not really all, because this is just few of them. The other riders are staying at Western Pushkar. We are staying at Umaid Palace. So the number of bikes are bifurcated for both the properties. Let me take you to the bikes. So here's the lineup at my property. Look at these beautiful machines, all Harley Davidsons. Look at them, and there will be some other brands also. Few of them have more than one rides. Like this is Honda. Oh man, look at the beautiful machines. That's mine. That's mine. That's also not Harley Davidson. And these, mind you, these are not all the bikes we have at this event, because more than 490 riders have registered. So imagine the scenes at the event. Oh, look, this is what I want to get. Again, some Hondas, and then there is GS. There are a few GS around. There are more than 10 GS at this event. Look at those rears. Look at those rears. There is a certain change in plan. We are not riding towards Brahma Temple. We took a taxi because everybody suggested the way will be really jammed with traffic, and it was true also. So this is the way to Brahma Temple. We're heading towards this on 11 number. That is our feet. So we're moving towards Brahma Temple. I'll show you around. This is the market of Pushkar. This is the Mela place also. So we're heading towards also. Let's wait for a while.
पता है ना, पढ़ते हैं पढ़ाते हैं.
महाराज 2 मीटर आप जाता जानता है बता रहे मंदिर क्यों बना, मंदिर स्थापित क्यों है, थोड़ा मैं एकदम पे से बोला हूँ, इसलिए मेरे तरफ से बड़े भैया बता रहे, मेरे बड़े भैया 2 मीटर आप जाता ऐसे नहीं दे रहे, इनका तो जानिए कुछ भी सुनिए वैसा भी सुनिए.
ब्रह्मा जी ने बनाया है. ये ब्रह्मा जी का मंदिर जो कलयुग में आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य जी ने बनाया. 2 कारण हैं जिसकी वजह से ब्रह्मा जी का पूजा न तो घर में किया जाता है न मंदिर में किया जाता है. पहला कारण ब्रह्मा जी.
So this is also famous Pushkar Lake. कोई साइड से चलो.
पानी इकट्ठा होता है. अगर किसी नई चीज का निर्माण होता है तो उसका पूजा पाठ यदि किया जाता है और वह तक किया जाता है कि शुभ मुहूर्त के मुहूर्त में किया गया. 5 दिन का शुभ मुहूर्त निकालते हैं. मुहूर्त आ गया था. ब्रह्मा जी का पहला पंडित और सावित्री माता और उनके प्रिय पुत्र श्री नारायण जी ब्रह्मा जी.
This is someone getting tattoo over here, roadside. So here I am again at the event property. So this will be the last day of the event. All the achievers who have achieved lakh kilometers and above in a year will be facilitated today at the event. They will be given the badges on the main stage. So let's see how this event turns up tonight. And this will be the last day of the event. So I'll be signing off tonight.
Killer on the road. The killer on the road. The mind is strolling like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, memories will die. Riders on the storm. Yeah.